Hi, this is Jessica Taylor from Ink It Up with Jessica, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the background on this thank you card using the Alphabet Press embossing folder and some Coordinations cardstock. You want to make sure that the textured side of the Coordinations cardstock is toward the front of the embossing folder, and that's where the Stampin' Up! Logo is going to be. Also on this embossing folder you can tell because the letters are the right way. So you want to just fold that up into there. You're going to place this in between two clear cutting pads on top of the multi-purpose platform open to tab 1 and run it through your Big Shot. Once you have your piece of cardstock embossed, now we are just going to use some sanding paper, and I have a sanding block here. We're just going to rub it against this, and you can see the Coordinations cardstock has a white core that's going to come through. So you can sand this as little or as much as you want, depending on how much of the white you want to show. Once you're done sanding, you can use your Coordinations cardstock just like that, or I added just a little bit of ink with a sponge to give it a little more depth. So I used the Bermuda Bay ink and just took a wedge of sponge and kind of rubbed it around the top. Again, use as much ink or as little ink as you want. You also want to make sure you leave some white spots for that depth, and then I just used my sponge to also add ink all the way around the edges of the cardstock. And then once you're done with that, you just have a fun background to use on one of your cards.